Bring up his coordinates.
Target confirmed, sir. It's him.
What's he riding? Bring up the schematics.
He's on a Yamaha FJR, late 2000s model.
Okay, call him in.
Hello, this is 911.
We'd like to report a motorcycle rider, male, 30s, riding a maroon Yamaha FJR, headed south on Route 533.
What's the report? Speeding, reckless driving?
NSA code verification 037.
Roger that, we'll send a unit.
This is Unit 495. We've got the target in sight. He's just too fast. We can't keep up.
Bring up the geolocator. Where's he headed?
He's headed south, sir. We can trap him once he's in town.
Tap into town security. We'll have a front row seat.
Stand by. Downloading, and we're locked in.
Go camera 013.
Camera 013 locked in. He's crossed into Spruce Alley.
Camera 015. He's not going anywhere. Follow him. He's turned into the South London garage. We've got him. Run a patch on the garage.
Camera 032. Camera A1. Camera A2. Camera B2. C2. D1. Wait. He's back at B1. Now D2? What's going on?
He's headed to the roof. We'll trap him there. Give me overhead.
Downloading satellite, standing by.
Wait. Where'd he go? Go camera E2. Go E3. Where the hell is he? Back to garage entrance. He didn't just vanish in midair, damn it.
There he goes. Wait, is that him?
Let him go.